No baseball, I send a nigga home in the field. Forever with my brother, right or wrong in the field. That Benz that had a moles at your dome, and that's real. Should've been at college in the dome in the field. Rain, thunder, lightning through the storm, it was real. Learned the hard way, my parents want me for real. Daughter need me daily, she was born, I was in jail. Never lost no faith, I kept on going when I fell. No, I ain't lose no faith, I kept on going, I prevailed.
Okay. Live, you live with Nola Speak. This is the page. This a video. I dropped on the blog speaking on what is the name of the bond we get out of jail on. Okay, let's get into it. Because I wanted to I made this video to further explain what I was saying in the video. But the name of it, before we get started, the name of it is a commercial bond. We're gonna skip ahead a lot. We're gonna skip ahead a lot because I'm not really trying to watch the video. I'm basically trying to explain the content. So I made this video trying to explain to black folks or anybody that don't understand what's going on when you go in courts. And a state court is a probate court. And probate only applies to an incompetent person. Another thing I want to try to make clear is, I don't know if this will help you in any case involving a person, which in a legal term is nationality. So I don't know if that'll help you in that type of situation, but for situations that don't involve a nationality, meaning an injured party, or injured person or anything, I feel like this will work great, and you knowing this will work greatly. You could try to apply it to any crime with a person, because any crime with a person felt like you done them something other than murder or something like that. I wouldn't know how to go about that. But my point in this video is to explain probate bonds underneath fiduciary procedures. And you knowing this is a type of commercial bond. Okay. So this is a statute. So is any charge you get from a police officer. As you see on the screen, you go on this site yourself, or you look up a statute, it's gonna pull up this page first. This is the first page on Google. Okay, you see statute. Now you see Title 51, Trade and Commerce, RS 51, what you call it, bond, whatever the number is. But you'll see that same RS in front of any charge you got. It'll be RS, the number, whatever number they got the statute under, and the statute they have. So RS, it'll have RS, it'll have the code, and then you'll have the statute that they're charging you with when you get arrested. Pay attention to that RS. So that's how you know if something a law or if it's a statute. Okay, I didn't make this video to go through literally watch the video. I made it to explain basically the base of why I made the video. All right, I went kind of ahead of myself. Okay. So this is the definition of probate bond. A probate bond is a bond against the performance of the executor or a minister. a bit like an insurance policy. You know what I'm saying? You get the drift. Let me see. If I press play, it'll clear it up, the bottom of it. I'm not sure. So, how does a probate bond work? A probate bond guarantees the permanent individual will comply with state laws, which is the statutes, with the codes, with the RS in front of it. You got legal paperwork, look at it. Look at what you're charged with, look at the RS in front of it. It's right there on your paperwork. And the state laws and the terms of the will trust are court ordered. If a permanent individual does not comply with the terms of the will, trust, or court order, someone can make a claim against the bond, which is your birth certificate. So I just wanted to further clear up and let it be known that I'm not joking with y'all. It will be a recording of a bondsman. I went to a bondsman office and let the bondsman lady tell me what kind of bond that they use or what kind of bond anybody will be on. It will be added to this video. So it says, why would I need a bond? So being bonded helps create trust between your business and your client because you are giving them insurance that they will be financially protected from loss they may suffer if you don't fully fulfill your contractual obligations to them completely. So, business client, yeah, I'm talking about you. Like literally, that's why you're doing commerce. You're operating as a business. When you go to a bank and you see the bank lines, you got commercial bank line, and then you got, you know what I'm saying, the regular pedestrian bank line. You know what I'm saying? So when you go to court, you wonder why when you get locked up, you all of a sudden purchase a commercial bond. But like I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna show you a reason why you can purchase a commercial bond. Okay, we about to get off into these definitions of probate.
Basically,
but I'm gonna let y'all see it, and I'm gonna read the one I really care for. Okay, this probate bond. What I'm really trying to show y'all for. Hold up. I want y'all to read it. I'm about to back it up because I really want this read. Now I'm about to let it flow up to the part where I really like to explain it clear as day. Okay, so we're gonna go closer. This made for you to look up. I'm not trying to show you everything. I'm trying to show you exactly what you need to clarify what I'm saying. It's not some hocus pocus. A court with jurisdiction over determination of the validity of wills and administration of estates, and sometimes matters involving minors or adults judged incompetent. Probate court. Legal matters that falls under the jurisdiction of a probate court. When you Google, I think I got this off a dictionary app. Go on the dictionary app, it should pull its exact definition up. And this what they clarifying you as, declaring you adult judged incompetent. You can't think for yourself. You can't take care of your finances by yourself. Just basically it means you're an incompetent person. You don't understand shit. And that's underneath probate bond. Probate. Okay, fiduciary. Of, relating to, or involving a confidence or trust such as held or founded in trust or confidence. A fiduciary relationship. A bank's fiduciary obligation. Hold in trust. Come on, man. Hold in trust. Come on, man. Hold in trust. Depends on public confidence for value or currency. Fiduciary, flat money. Come on, man. Fiduciary, meaning money. Pop me off. The proceeding gonna be handled in a money type orientation. So if you're a juror, or you the jury, understand these people trying to get paid. They ain't wrong about no right and wrong. Straight contract law. And that's underneath fiduciary. This is a bonds paper, my bonds contract. You see surety, you see principal defendant, collateral receipt. See that? Hold up, let me go back, cause I want y'all to see. You see that? That's the stamp from the insurance office. Okay, let's get past this. I want to go into some other things that's important to what I'm trying to do for y'all. This is a bond sheet. I'm about to show you your nationality, which is incorrect. You need to change that ASAP. Okay. Nationality. Your USA. Your nationality is United States of America, which is USA. Remember when I was saying your sheriff office, when you're getting booked, they give you a license number of the contract to be able to get the commercial bond? That's your license number to do it right there. That's your license number of the contract. I'm not positively sure like that, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna need a license to contract. Anybody can't commerce. Anybody can operate in contracts without a license to operate in contracts. You need a license to do everything out here. You need a license number to do anything as far as commerce. You want to open a business that's commercing, you need a license number. So I think that license number you are given when you get booked at the sheriff office to be able to operate in the courtroom in contract, to be able to get into the probate court, get the probate bond, and handle the situation in a fiduciary manner, meaning collateral. So you better be licensed to do that. So your sheriff office help you out with your license. You get a whole license, you know what I'm saying? They help you out being licensed to handle your situation. Then your nationality, it should be North American, especially if you're black. This nation, USA, did nothing for you. Understand that. Did nothing for you. And know to speak. So you have watched another blog of Know to Speak, and I'll be hitting you back with more content. So like I said, Google commercial bond. Look for probate bond and probate bond to tell you what manner you can handle it in fiduciary, etc. So, and understand the only way you can operate in contract if you're licensed to operate as a contractor. You got to be licensed to do anything out here. And your sheriff office help you get licensed. Thank you for tuning in. Stay woke.
It's a commercial line.
It's a commercial bond?
Mm-hmm.
It's like a probate bond?
I can find that out because the only thing I do is in the payment. Tanya, the one who just walked up here, she the one who will be able to answer that for you. You want me to get it for you? All right. And happy Thanksgiving to you, yeah?
Thank you. I was trying to, I asked her what kind of bond I was, she said it was a commercial bond, but you got certain kind of commercial bond. Is this a probate bond I'm on?
Okay. You know, we got the cash bond, which is somebody put up cash. And then we got the signature bond, meaning somebody had done a good job.
I knew that, but it's like particular bonds that a company supposed to get.
Surety bond.
It's like,
Commercial surety.
so it's underneath probate obligations, like it's handled like probate bonds.
Yes, kind of, but not exactly.
And the judge and the courts handle in the fiduciary manner.
Depending on the district.
So they handle it, so the courts handle it in a fiduciary manner.
Correct. What's wrong?
Okay. I just wanted to know that.
Well, if there's anything else you need to know, whatever need us to do, let us know. All right?
All right, thank you.
All right.